Watch closely. This single wooden log is about to turn into meters of smooth wooden sheets. No magic. No editing trick. This is the real wood peeling process. Have you ever wondered how plywood, furniture, or wooden doors are made? Before they become beautiful products, they all start as a simple tree log. The process that transforms a heavy log into thin wooden sheets is called wood peeling. It is one of the most important steps in the wood and furniture industry. In this video, we will clearly understand how wood peeling works, step by step. Step 1. Selecting the wood log. Everything begins with choosing the right wood. Not every tree is suitable for peeling. Manufacturers select logs that are straight, strong, free from major cracks, proper in diameter. Hardwood or softwood is chosen depending on the final product. Good quality logs produce smooth veneer sheets and reduce wastage. Once selected, the logs are cleaned to remove dirt and outer impurities. Step 2. Soaking and softening the logs. Raw wood is very hard and brittle. If peeling is done directly, the wood can crack or break. To avoid this, the logs are soaked in hot water or steam. This process softens the wood fibers and increases flexibility. Soaking time depends on wood type, log thickness, required sheet quality. This step is very important for smooth and continuous peeling. Step 3. Preparing the peeling machine. After soaking, the log is moved to the wood peeling machine. The machine holds the log tightly from both ends, rotates the log at a controlled speed, uses a sharp blade for cutting. The blade position decides the thickness of the sheet. Even a small adjustment can change the final quality. Once everything is set, the real process begins. Step 4. The wood peeling process. This is the most satisfying part of the entire process. As the machine starts rotating the log, the sharp blade slowly touches the surface. The blade continuously peels a thin layer of wood. This layer comes out like a long ribbon or roll. The log keeps rotating until almost the entire wood is peeled. The thickness of the veneer can be very thin for decorative use, slightly thick for plywood layers. One single log can produce many meters of wooden sheets. Why wood peeling is efficient? Wood peeling uses the log completely. There is very little wastage compared to cutting blocks. Benefits include maximum material usage, uniform thickness, smooth surface, high production speed. This makes it perfect for large-scale industries. Continuous monitoring. During peeling, workers constantly monitor sheet thickness, blade sharpness, machine speed. If any issue appears, the machine is stopped and adjusted. This ensures consistent quality. Step 5. Cutting the veneer sheets. After peeling, the long wood sheets are cut into required sizes. Cutting depends on product type, customer requirement, industry standards. Proper cutting ensures easy handling and storage. Step 8. Drying the sheets. Freshly peeled sheets contain moisture. If not removed, they may bend or get damaged. To prevent this, sheets are dried using sun drying, hot air dryers. Drying improves strength, durability, final finish, final applications. These peeled wood sheets are used to make plywood, furniture, doors, cabinets, wall panels. Almost every wooden product around you starts here. Conclusion. Wood peeling is a perfect example of smart manufacturing. From one tree log, multiple useful products are created with minimal waste. If you enjoy watching industrial processes like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.